Today I'm going to be making energy balls and I'm going to be using dates, cacao powder, walnuts and desiccated coconut. First of all, we're going to add walnuts, cacao powder and fit the blender. Now we're going to add the dates one by one. Now that the mix is blended, we're going to make them into balls. And we're just going to finish them off by just rolling them in the coconut. It's as simple as that. All you need to do now is pop them into a tub, stick them in the fridge, they will last you a week. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching the video today.